Here at DeBortoli Wines, Bilbal, the Riverina, DeBortoli had a need for on-site storage, condensing all their storage of their bottle stock, and our scope of the project was to assist them extending to existing sheds.
DeBortoli Wines is a third generation family company, the fourth generation's just starting. Began in 1928 on this actual site at Bilbal. We have a reasonable amount of vineyards, and at this site here we have crushing capacity for about 100,000 tonne of grapes, so we produce wine.
In designing DeBortoli's warehouse extensions, it was key to match the existing profile, including the height of the buildings, to make sure the finished product was clean and streamlined.
We went to asset with a sizing that we wanted a shed of this size. Basically, we had a pencil drawing of the shed of what we wanted. Asset set us up with a design drawing of the shed with some concept drawings. This gave us the ability to look at it and just see if that's what we really wanted.
The key features of DeBortoli's warehouse extensions was future-proofing the buildings, and that means making sure the engineering supports future solar on the roof. There's also insulation to protect the bottle stock, also design in the warehouses, skylights, allowing for natural light, helps reduce the electricity bill.
The reason we chose Asset to do the contract was, one, they were quick to quote for us. They offered the service we required and in a timely manner. The basic capabilities when we asked for it was we wanted a job to go from start to finish. We wanted one contractor on site, that's why if anything goes wrong we have one central point to talk to. Communication was good. Throughout the whole project I could just pick up the phone and ring up or send an email. We received weekly updates on where the shed was at and where the plan was to be in the next 5 to 7 days. To see Asset lifting a roof in a different way and not building it up 6 or 7 metres was a great idea. From a health and safety point of view, your people are working on the ground, they're not working 8 metres off the ground. Saves on accidents. The only outstanding things at the moment are things that I forgot. Asset's been fairly good with that. We missed a couple of doors. Around the edge of the shed there should be some railings that I've missed out on. One of the really good things is that it was just a phone call away to ring up and say, look, I forgot this, can you blokes do it? There's never an argument about it, it just happens, which is great. It's just a good idea, yeah, we'll get you a quote, and it happens.
It's always nice to build projects out in the country. The weather's nice. I must say it's also convenient having a site visit at a winery. I've got to make sure you're safe to drive home, but it's good to try their dry reds is one of my favourites.